Storyboard. Putting in a little bit of time on location or at the office to figure out the shot combinations for the storyboard will significantly increase the chances of shooting great shots on the day of filming. If you don't plan out every single shot, you will have to film many more takes on the day of filming so as to ensure that you have enough takes that you can put together a usable sequence in the editing. However, once you start editing, you will then realize that the amount of shot combinations you will need to compare to make a great edit expands exponentially. It's important to plan the shots ahead of shooting day to avoid these kinds of problems. Don't settle for mediocre shots. Plan and take good ones. Preparation. Once all of the planning, the props, documents, crew, equipment, actors, and locations are set to go, you have to make sure to set the camera to record in the appropriate settings. Set the camera to 4K recording resolution, which is going to be either 3840 by 2160 or 4096 by 2160 pixels. Though many viewers are still utilizing high-definition screens with a resolution of 1920 by 1080, within a few short years, almost everyone will own a 4K capable display. It is a good idea to future-proof the footage you get today so as to ensure it displays at the best quality level given the display that is used in the near future. The next thing to do is to ensure that there are no apps running open in memory. You want to bring your smartphone resource utilization down by closing all unnecessary apps. In addition, 4K footage will take up a lot of space, so you want to make sure to free up as much storage space on the device as possible by copying all unnecessary or non-system critical files to the cloud or to off-site storage on the computer. Camera app. Smartphones come with a default camera app installed. In most instances, the default camera app should suffice. Unfortunately, the default camera app does not usually provide the user with fine control over camera recording parameters, and as such will limit the ability of the user to record different scenes professionally. Though both the default camera app and more professional camera app variants have access to the same underlying hardware, the professional camera apps can be thought of as an unlocked camera app that allows customization of recording parameters. The professional apps give you control over things such as focus, f-stop, resolution, and even fine-tuned audio controls. An example of professional camera app used by filmmakers is Filmic Pro. Filmic Pro provides for manual camera control that may not be possible with the default camera app. Equipment. Though it is possible to produce a video from start to finish on a smartphone, using only the phone will somewhat limit your ability to create the best possible work. To produce the best possible video, you will need a few accessories. These will include a power cable for the phone, a battery charger, a tripod, a set of headphones, lights, a professional camera app, an editing app, or professional software installed on a computer, and a lavalier or a shotgun microphone. Backdrop. The difficult aspect of recording presentations usually lies in the fact that you need to find and book a location, to stage it with items relevant to the video, and then you need to do a complicated lighting setup. One possible solution to this is just to use your living room and to install a solid white, a solid black backdrop. This is a great solution if you don't have a lot of space or a lot of money to spend on the project. Usually, lighting a simple white or black background does not take as much of a lighting setup as would a green screen or an actual physical set. The white or black background will provide a solid professional shape behind your presenter and will make your video look professional.